This lazy buttermilk biscuit recipe is absolutely mind-blowing. It's easy, it's soft, it's delicious. I can't wait for you to try it. First, we're going to start with 2.5 cups of all-purpose flour, 4 teaspoons of baking powder, 4 teaspoons of sugar, and 1 teaspoon of salt. Next, you're going to add 2 cups of buttermilk and mix well. After you have it all mixed up, in an 8-inch or a 9-inch pan, you want to melt 1 stick of butter, and you're just going to put the dough directly on top. And after you put it on top, you're going to mash it down to at least the dough is touching the sides. And you see what I'm about to do here with the knife? I'm going to make some slices. I'm going to cut it into basically 9 pieces, 3 rows of 3. And it's going to bake. It seems like it's not going to make a difference, but you'll see once it's done baking that it does make it easier to cut. Now put it in the oven for 25 minutes at 450 degrees, and this is what came out. Did you see those crispy edges? Oh my God, they're absolutely delicious. You know what it kind of reminds me of? It reminds me of the Red Lobster biscuits minus the cheddar cheese. So I think that would be a great idea to do. And I used margarine for mine. I omitted the salt. But if you use unsalted butter, you could just follow the recipe just the same without omitting anything. And look at how fluffy it is. It's fluffy. It's delicious. Oh, you gotta try it. When you try it, look, share some love with someone and make sure you tag me and let me know how it came out.